Yeah, talking through inheritance on this video. Inheritance just essentially means a class. In this case, a subclass can inherit properties or methods of another class by using the extends keyword. Now, the way this works is subclasses inherit methods and properties from subclasses. I'll be showing you an is-a relationship. So we have fish, and obviously we can have different categories of fish. And I'll do a class of piranha and goldfish. So essentially, an is-a relationship saying it basically says that piranha is a fish, goldfish is a fish. I thought fishes were reptiles or something, but I know this is better on the video. I gave it a quick Google and this came up. No, they aren't reptiles or amphibians, they are fish. So in terms of the question, fish is its own group. The major group of vertebrates, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. You and I are mammals. At least I am. Yeah. Sorry, I thought that was funny. Probably thinking what a weirdo. But anyway, I now know fish are reptiles. They're just fish. So anyway, we have a superclass. Let's create two more classes, like I just mentioned. Sorry. So we'll say class, and we'll have piranha. And we'll also have our lovely goldfish. Don't know why I always do fish, but it's just funny. Goldfish. Because everybody likes fish. Fish are boring. Anyway, so let's do our public method in here. Goldfish before I carry on. Public, static, void, main, string, oh god, string, args, that's just what I like to write. Let's copy this, boop, I'll save the class, and I'm gonna piranha. Right, oh god, that failed. Public, static, void, it's just quick to write it out. String, args, there we go. Save this. So this is our superclass. These are our subclasses, obviously, because it can't be a superclass because they're in the fishes group. The fish owns them. Fish types. Fish is its own type. Oh, I don't even know what I would say. What types they are. If you know, give me a comment. Maybe it looks stupid. Sounds awesome. Subclass. Right. So now in fish, we create our method. Remember, subclasses can inherit methods and properties from the superclass. Yeah. So I'll do a public void. No. Yeah, void, and we'll have swim. And in swim, let's specify the speed. So we'll do an instance variable. So we'll do public int speed, and we'll pass int with a variable here in the parameters, so we can define the speed when we instantiate the object. And we need to do remember, so speed is equal to speed. We have to, if you watch my objects and methods tutorial, this makes sense. But basically, we're saying this is our speed, the parameter we want to pass in, and everything we save we want to store in this variable, but use this method to execute, because obviously variables aren't used to execute basically data or information. They're used to store information. Methods are used to execute, so we need to pass this in the parameter. So now I've done this, public speed is equal to speed. And then I'll do a system.out.println fish is, give me a second, speed is, and then we'll do plus speed. God, really? Right. Even though you can't notice it yet, oh, this won't be able to inherit the methods here yet because we need to use the extends keyword. So extends fish, goldfish extends fish, extends from the superclass. Save these. So essentially, what I've done now by extending these is now I said, okay, here's my piranha class. Oh, extend fish, so now I can get all the methods and properties for my superclass. So I don't even need to write swim in here. I can just instantiate the object to get access to the class here, and I'll be able to simply define what speed the fish is. Ready? So I'll say piranha. I'm going to say p is equal to new piranha, and then we'll do p dot swim, and then obviously need the speed parameter. Bloody hell, this fast sound is 200. capital letter, and then we'll do goldfish G because new goldfish. We'll do G dot swim in. Generally quite slow, and maybe reasonably fast is 230. So we'll save this. When I click play now, essentially what it say fisher speed is 100 for the piranha and 30 for the goldfish. So when I click run now, it would say the fisher speed is 100, the fisher speed is 30. We could go into further detail. Actually, yes. It's important to know that subclasses can only get access or to the public methods in the superclass. If it's private, it basically says bugger off, this is only mine, and obviously it won't let you access this method anymore. So now if I do this to public, then we'll have access again. You can also, if you wish, override the methods in the subclasses. So we could say public void swim, the same name as the superclass, and we could say system.out.println. Oh no! Oh no! The fish died, man. So obviously the fish has died, man. So it no longer has a speed. So should I do that in piranha? There we go. So now if I take these off and I click play, it would say, "Oh no, the fish has died. Fish died, man." And I don't know why I wrote that. So to recap, subclasses can inherit methods and properties from the superclass as long as the class is public. The methods are public. All we need to do to get access to the superclass's methods and properties is use the extend keyword, as I demonstrated earlier, and I've also demonstrated that you can override them. This is very basic inheritance, but just to get the concept across, I hope I've done that, and take care.